Hey, garden enthusiasts, it's that exciting time of year again. Spring is just around the corner. I'm here to help you get your garden ready with the ultimate spring gardening checklist. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with a good cleanup. Remove any debris like fallen leaves, branches, and old mulch. This will give you a fresh canvas to work with and help prevent any pests or diseases from overwintering in your garden. Next, it's time to revitalize your soil. Winter can leave your soil compacted and nutrient depleted. Grab a garden fork or tiller and loosen it up, adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. This not only enriches the soil but also improves drainage and root growth. Now let's talk about pruning. Trim back any dead or damaged branches from your shrubs and perennials. This promotes healthy new growth and keeps your plants looking tidy. Remember, some plants have specific pruning needs, so do a quick check on your plant types before snipping away. Next up, planting. Early spring is the perfect time to plant cool season vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and peas. You can also plant hardy annuals and perennials. Just make sure the last frost date has passed before you plant those more tender plants. Don't forget about mulching. Adding a layer of mulch around your plants helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Use organic mulch like bark, straw, or wood chips for the best results. Now let's talk about watering. As you plant new additions, make sure they get plenty of water to establish their roots. But be mindful of overwatering. Spring rain can often take care of a lot of your watering needs. Fertilizing is next on our list. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer can give your plants the nutrients they need for strong growth. Be sure to follow the instructions on the package to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Early detection is key, so regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble. Use eco-friendly pest control methods whenever possible to keep your garden healthy and thriving. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a beautiful, bountiful garden this spring. If you found this checklist helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone. Catch you next time.